Welcome to my craft room. Pinwheels are such fun and easy to make. I loved them when I was a kid, and I'm sure your kids will love them too. I have 3 different designs I'll be sharing with you today. In Cricut Design Space, change the color if you are cutting them out of different cardstock. For the double layer pinwheel, duplicate the pinwheel and the circle. I'm changing the color of one of them because I'm cutting them out of a solid and pattern cardstock. Then arrange them however you want to save paper. When you're ready to cut, pick the setting that's appropriate for the materials you're using. Once it's cut, you can play around to see which looks best. The cardstock I'm using is double-sided, so it has its pros and cons. Once you've decided which combo to use, glue the center with hot glue or any paper glue you have. Twist the pinwheel pieces to nest them together with the spokes on top. Note, only glue the center. Moving in a clockwise direction, bring each spoke to the center, adding just a bit of glue to hold it in place. When all the spokes are glued down, glue one of the circle pieces to the front of the pinwheel. Attach the brad fasteners through all layers and add a second circle to the back. Do not glue the circle down. The circle is to protect the pinwheel in case any glue spills out from the dowel. So I'm just adding a slit to the dowel and then placing a bead of glue in the opening and attaching it to the end of the brad fastener. And ta-da! You just made a pinwheel. The next 2 pinwheels are put together just like any other pinwheel. Bring the spokes to the center and glue them down as you go, and attach the brad fasteners through all layers and then attach it to the dowel. And that's it. That's how you make a pinwheel. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to get notifications. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. And until next time, bye-bye!